Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. How was your trading day? Was it good? Was it bad? Did you make profit? Did you follow the process? Today was one of the easiest textbook trades. Easiest today. Our market opened slightly gap up, right? This is a replay I'm showing you just to make sure that you understand whatever I'm trying to explain you so that you can implement it in your trading also. See, nobody will give you such kind of a free information. When market opens gap up, we know that the last candle will always act as your demand. So there is this demand here, there is this demand here. So which demand should I choose from? If market comes from a gap up to a demand, and if it gives a break of structure on the upward direction, then on pullback, buy it from this particular leg of price action. This is always our rule. If market does not give this break of structure, then wait for market to come down here and then buy from this particular place. This is what is SMC. This is the textbook rule which we have as part of SMC, right? And see how the trade played out perfectly. So market came down, and what was the last swing point which we have here? This is the last swing point as part of yesterday's price action, and market gave a change of character, I mean like break of structure on the upward direction, right? So how does this line up with our trade? It is very simple that if market gives a pullback here, then we would be interested to take the market higher, even higher. This is the demand which we have now, and once market comes back to this particular demand, we would be planning a long position here the moment market comes here, keeping the swing point as our SL, and at least target the day side. But look from the points perspective. Your entry is somewhere 23,365. Your target is somewhere 23,570. 200 points in an expiry is literally going to double your capital. Trust me, this will double your capital like anything and everything if you know how to trade, if you know how the SMC concept works. When did this trade happen? This trade happened at 11:40. When do we see the market? We see the market at 10:30. All of this happened together. That is why I said today is one of the easiest trades. See, whatever happens after that, let market go how 1,000 points up, let market come 1,000 points down. That is not going to be your concern. You make a trade plan. Yesterday our discussion was very simple. If market opens flat, I was interested here. But when market opens gap up, we need to understand that last candle will act as your demand, and if it gives a change of character, then on pullback we are taking the market even higher. This is how the structure works, right? This is how we always trade. Anyways, moving forward, what is the line of price action which we have? So we see that market has given a break of structure on the upward direction, and market has reached the last gap which we had, right? This was the last gap. This is where market is currently reacting from. So if market breaks this day's high again, we can expect some kind of consolidation here like this, and then take the market even higher. There is this very tiny bit of gap here. I'll show you the gap a little bit zoomed in so that you guys are aware of it. If I draw a box here from this last indecision candle, you see a tiny bit of gap, right? This tiny bit of gap can be filled, but for simplicity's sake, we can even target this swing point. There is a swing point. This swing point can be swept. There are high chances that this swing point can be swept for tomorrow if market continues to move forward. Simply, we can close our trade here. This is not very small points and all. This itself is like close to 200 points. Okay. Today was a very brilliant day. I'm not sure how much of you captured the trade, whichever I had explained. If you had captured it, very well and good, very well done. And tomorrow we see that there is this tiny bit of price action which is also happening. Market went up, came down, market went up, right? If market comes down here, I am trying to capture another call position here and take the market even higher. So there are a couple of possible easy trades for tomorrow also. If market comes back to this level 23 500ish or 450ish or 400 level, somewhere here, I am interested to see how the market will react here and take the market at least to today's day's high. If market continues moving further, we can see an extended target at least till 24 23 700 for tomorrow. Okay, this is if market opens flat, comes down and gives a positive reaction here. What do I mean by positive reaction? Is something like this in a 1 minute time frame, something like this. We see that the smaller time frame aligns with our narrative and we need to take the market higher. This is for flat opening coming down. If flat opens and goes up, then this particular leg of price action is what will be focused, and we will look for a demand in this leg of price action and we'll be taking the market higher. Okay, if market opens gap down, this is the same scenario. This is more favorable. If market opens pretty big gap up, I am slightly avoiding the market because market can do a lot of drama here, can come down, can go up, can do a lot of this kind of a movement tomorrow, and it will be very confusing for the market. So I am interested if it is opening gap down and gives a positive reaction, or if it opens flat, comes down and gives a positive reaction, or if it opens flat and crosses days high, then I'm interested to take the market higher. These three are my favorable positions for tomorrow. it, See, whatever happens, end of the day, it is your money. Understand this point. I'm telling this point over and over again because although it may be boring, it is very important. Money can be lost very fast in stock market, but money takes time to be earned. It takes a lot of time to earn the lost money. Whatever the money you had lost so far, if you are in a losing side so far in stock market, whatever money you had lost so far, it takes time to recover. Don't think that tomorrow itself you are going to put 2 lakhs 5 lakhs into trading account and make 1 crore from there. Not at all possible, not at all possible. I will give it to you in writing, it is not possible. Because the moment you have greed into your trading, you will be literally not following any kind of a plan. You need to have a set of plans. You need to have a set of trading criteria, trading system in place. If you have that in place, very very well and good. If you don't have that in place, please spend time in learning. Tomorrow I am not interested in put at all. Why? Because market is going in an upward direction. Why should I be interested in put? We should go along with the market. If market opens very very big gap down, very very big gap down, even here, I would be still interested in call only, because I know that there is a demand here. This demand could have failed, but market can react from this demand, right? Even if it opens below this also, I am interested here from call only. See, all these will come as part of learning, and you will end up making lot of money once you start studying. Understand this point also very clearly. Today, if you had known the SMC concepts, if you had known the structure, if you know how market works, where to buy from, you would have literally doubled your capital. Literally even doubled your capital, let alone be tripled. You would have doubled your capital. Because this is the easiest trade which we discussed. Easiest trade. If we get 10 trades like this in a month, you are sorted for next 3 months. You need not even look into the charts for next 3 months if you make 10 good trades in a month. Okay, focus is to capture the market when trade aligns with our trading plan. You need not trade every day. There is absolutely no necessity. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please make sure to like, subscribe and follow the channel. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next education video.